Hi, welcome to the MakersValley platform. I'm going to be your tour guide for the next couple of minutes, so you hang tight. We're really excited to be on this journey with you, helping you turn your dreams of designing a private label clothing line into reality. Remember, you can create a project for free, but to receive bids and get matched with one of our highly vetted Italian manufacturers, you'll need to subscribe to one of the MakersValley plans. We have 3 subscription plans available, depending on your needs: MV Essential, MV Choice, or MV Showroom. To learn more about what's included in each subscription, please go to our support center. For now, let's get back to creating your free project. Once you log into the platform, you'll see your project dashboard. Here, you'll find all the projects you're working on all in one place. Once you submit your project, here's where you'll see the bids that Italian manufacturers in the MakersValley network have submitted to prototype and produce your project. Over here is where you'll see the pending payments for your product's shipping, duties, and customs or prototyping and production. And over here is where you can check for messages from your account manager. And yes, you do have an account manager. Well, that's it for your dashboard. Let's hit that Start Now button. Now, it's time to choose what you want to do. If you select Bring to Life, we'll know that you have a sample pattern or garment that you want to mail to us. Now, give your project a name. Then we can jump right into your new project. To get you 100% ready to submit your project, we have a guide to get you going. Let's skip this guide for now and run through the project editor. As you work through each section of your project, it's easy to see how much you've done with your project completion bar. Starting with the basics, let us know what you're hoping to achieve. Then, in orders, tell us about your order size. Remember, MakersValley has no minimum order requirements, so your first order can be as large or as small as you'd like, depending on what fabrics and hardware you're using. Don't forget to let us know if you want prototypes or orders of multiple sizes. Patterns is where you show us the details of your garment. Remember to upload pictures of your sample, just like that. Samples is where you tell us about your fabrics, trims or hardware, and labels. Don't forget to tell us how you'd want your product sized. Add your special touch to your project by uploading your logo. Most importantly, tell us how you'd like us to ship it to you. Update your shipping address in your profile. You don't want to sending us your shipments to the wrong place now, do you? Once you're satisfied with the product information you have shared with us, you can go ahead and submit your project for review. Pick a subscription plan if you haven't already, and your account manager will assist you through the bidding process. That wasn't so hard now, was it? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your account manager through the project messages. Your dedicated account manager will be by your side through the entire process. You can send him or her attachments through the platform. You can also send messages anytime for help or advice. Wow, it looks like you have a message already. That's it for Bring to Life. But what if you don't have a sample garment or pattern? Then Be Inspired is for you. When you choose Be Inspired, you'll get a white label sample made by an Italian manufacturer as the foundation for your product. To begin, search our white label samples. Let's say you want to make jackets. Select as many jackets as you would like to order. You'll need to select a color and size if there are different sizes. When you're done selecting samples, proceed to the checkout to review what's in your inspiration cart. If you're fine with everything in there, place your order request. Just as with Bring to Life, you'll need a subscription to place your order request. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and invoice you for your Be Inspired samples. After you've paid for them, we'll send you the samples you've chosen so that you can cut, sew, mark them up to create a sample garment that the Italian manufacturer you get matched with can use to create your first prototype. Once you get your sample in the mail, you'll also be invited to complete a sample feedback questionnaire, like the one I explained earlier under Bring to Life. Now, you're officially ready to get started. Welcome to the Valley.